Hi everyone, my name is Sid from 3DCeram Tiwari, and today we'll talk about how we can make big parts with FFF or fused filament fabrication. This is a question that we get asked a lot and there is no easy answer to this, but we will try to touch on some aspects. Parts up to 10 cm are very much possible and doable. Parts should always be designed and printed in such a way that the longer dimension is on the XY axis and the shorter on the Z axis. Parts beyond 10 cm, well, that's where it starts to get tricky. But it's still possible. How? Here are some key ways of achieving this. First of all, try to make the infill as low as possible. 10 to 20% might be small, but it's already a good number to reduce the material mass that needs to be then debinded. Try to keep the maximum wall thickness as low as possible. Always print parts with perimeters in successive layers printed in alternate direction. This helps in reducing the internal stresses in a big way. You might have printed the part perfectly, but that's where it's tricky. It might still have deformation like elephant foot or anisotropic shrinkage during sintering. How can we avoid this? Well, the answer is sinter supports, that is, supports that hinder the deformation during the sintering as the part shrinks. To conclude, parts larger than 10 cm or even 15 cm are still doable with FFF, but require careful analysis and maybe a few trials. However, you do not have to go through it alone. We are here to guide you through each step to reduce your frustration and maximize your output. Thank you and have a nice day.